a lot of basic principles. Just double the rope over, have 4 legs with a tensionless hitch on the retainer side. Some of the rotten bits. This is a stem that has the schweintzii conchs in the cavity at the base, which is, I'll show you in a minute. So I took this log and used a tear to ease it into the rigging. Aerial friction, natural crotch, simple enough. All the basics are covering a lot of bases. Used 4 hinges on the tension side with that retainer rope to swing it around. I ended up cutting off the compression side here to let it swing. The hinge was fighting against the retainer line here a bit, so cut off the tension side. This is simply hand tensioned. No need for lots of extravagant different things. No need for a GRCS, etc. My neighbor's going to clean it up. It's his tree, doing him a favor. Used to reach up and over that well building over toward the power lines. They were concerned about it going down in a storm. This building was expendable, but rigged it out over pretty manageable sized pieces, small enough pieces. Ease it into the rigging. Another cherry with Phaeolus schweintzii bites the dust. Couple non-standard hinges to work some swing, keep it from splitting, and cherry's pretty stringy. You can start to fracture and hang up. A bit of this, a bit of that. I was back chaining when I got down below that cavity that I knew was full of water, sprayed it away from me, and then had to cover up part of the kerf to direct the water as best I could onto the roof to drain backward away from where my ropes were. It's a funny thing. As soon as you go around and wash your ropes, something like that sprays some old funky water.